'Tis the season, and welcome to my After Dark Clean with me. You guys, it's almost Christmas. Can you believe it? Where did the time go? And if you are on my Instagram, you may have seen where I posted a glimpse of our Christmas trees, and that's what you'll see today in this video. A little cleaning, a little decorating, starting with our kitchen. I don't know about you, but I have to clean my entire kitchen before decorating. I like to clean as I cook so I don't have much to do after dinner. I don't know if you guys are like that, but me, I definitely am like that. The sun was starting to set, so I wanted to get the pots and the pans out of the way. I hate cleaning pots so much. Sometimes I'll get the hubster to do it. I'll do anything else but that. I just don't like doing it. For the most part, I like cleaning at night. There's something calming about it. Everyone's sleeping in their room and everything is quiet. The phone's not ringing. I don't have emails to catch up with. It's kind of awesome. I know many of you are thinking, you're cleaning a clean house, Denise. It may look clean to you guys, but there's crumbs, there's dust, there's juice and coffee stains. You just don't see it on camera. But trust me, it's there. It doesn't help that my counters are white. It shows everything. And I've been loving my Williams Sonoma Meyer lemon. It smells amazing, you guys. A lot's been going on, you guys. I know I haven't been posting like I normally would, but my dad lost his wife, my stepmom, quite a few months ago, and it's been hard. My dad's been living with me. He sold his house in Charlotte, North Carolina, and he moved in with us while his house was being built, and it's almost done. It's like weeks away from being finished. So I will be sharing some content on how I'm going to create his new normal, because he's been married to her for 44 years. That's a long time to have someone and then you lose them. On this night, I cleaned out my bottom freezer and it was a hot mess. It's one of those areas that we just sometimes forget. It's been really, really crazy around my house lately, like I said. But normally, I would clean out our fridge the night before going to the grocery store because it makes it so much easier when putting groceries away. Bottom freezers are not the easiest to organize, let me tell you. Let me know down below if you agree or if you have the same issues organizing the bottom of your freezer. Yet, I love a challenge. I came across these bins at Walmart for just a few dollars. I'll link them down below in case you're interested. On this day, I made a trip to Sam's Club to stock up on some breakfast and other essentials. I normally like to make home-cooked fresh breakfast most of the time. As you all know, this is a busy season for me. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. Damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great. I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall. This year, I didn't go too hard with a lot of Christmas decor. I really wanted to spend time with my family as well as creating fun and exciting new content for you guys. I added a few trees that I got from the flea market many years ago, and I have a ton of them and I use them all throughout the house. And I'm just using what I have already, just adding a few pieces. We like all the same tracks, listen all night in the sheets. You may have seen this wreath before, and I've had it for a while. Like, I love it so much that I look forward to using it every year, and it's from TJ Maxx. But let me give you a close-up. The camera can't really show you what I see. It's absolutely stunning, and it looks like the lights are on. When I filmed this, the sun was going down, and it was hitting it just right. But to my surprise, they had other colors. They were all so beautiful, and I'm using a command hook to hang it. And yes, I will remove it when I cook. This is a quick and simple DIY, yet it gives high-end feels. Grab your favorite bowl. It could even be a fancy champagne bucket that you just have lying around. Take some greenery garland and place it around the inside of the bowl. Fuss with it until you like it, and then add some of your favorite picks inside for a little depth, dimension, and interest. Although this looks stunning just the way it is, but I felt like it needed something else. So I came across these icy picks that actually match my wreath and the garland that I do have that I will show or share with you guys in another video is just absolutely stunning. So like I said earlier, I didn't want to go too hard on Christmas, but I needed something that was impactful. I feel like this is very impactful. This planter's not going to stay there. It's going to go on my kitchen dining table because I'm going to use my island for other things. I don't want to spoil it, but I love the simplicity of it, and I love that it's kind of elegant too and just simple. I love it. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I know it's short and sweet, but you know how I am. But I still have some more content coming your way, and I want to thank you all for watching.